boys and girls. Today we're going to be reviewing how to do some subtraction, okay? So let's say Mrs. E gives you a problem like this. 32 minus 7 equals something. Now, if you look at this math problem, you can already tell that you have a big number over here, which is 7, and you have a smaller number here, which is a 2. So whenever you have a problem like this, always start off by representing your numbers using your sticks and stones. So let's show what 32 would look like. I have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. Bring down your minus sign. Minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember to keep your stones nice and organized, okay? Now, if you look at this problem is saying take away 7 stones from the 2. Can I do that? Nope, it's not possible, right? So whenever you have a subtraction problem and you have represented your numbers, the next step is always going to be to put your smaller number in a force field, okay? Once these circles are in a force field, it means you cannot touch them and we are not going to touch them. The force field is just going to remind us what we need to do. So what we need to do is we need to take away 7 stones from this number 32. But since we don't have enough stones, we have to go to a 10 and we have to kind of break that 10 up, okay? So we're going to go here and we're going to just put 10 stones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These 10 stones are the same thing as a stick. It's just in a different shape, size, or form, okay? So now if you look at all the circles we have, now we can easily take away 7. And you can start anywhere. So I'm going to go ahead and count my 7. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I can even just go ahead and cross them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'm going to count how many leftovers I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I always like to double check myself. So I have 5 ones or 5 stones. And how many 10s do I have left? 1, 2, or I can say 10, 20. So I'm going to go ahead and put a 2 here. And so 32 minus 7 equals 25. And that's how I show regrouping using sticks and stones. Never touch what's in the force field. Just leave it alone. The force field just reminds you how many to take away. Okay? All right. So let's see if you can practice some of the things that we talked about in your notebook. Now it's your turn.